Hi, I'm William Myers from Austin Subaru for Expert Village. Okay, as you can see, I have one headlight on and I have one headlight off. Okay, it could be a burned bulb, which is quite possible, but the one thing we can do is go from high beam to low beam. It's on high, there's low, and the light's still off. Well, maybe it's not a bulb. It still could be, but there's a fuse that protects that headlamp circuit, and we're going to show you where that's at. And this is just an example because there's fuses that protect all the circuits. And we're going to talk about more about that, but let's just check that headlamp fuse. Now, it's the right side headlamp, and we'll remove our main fuse block cover. And if you look inside the cover, you'll see a 15 amp headlamp right hand. Okay, and you can find out it's right here. I mean, if you look at it, there's two relays here, 1, 2, 3, 4 fuses there, and I got 4 fuses here. My top fuse is the right headlamp relay, or right headlamp fuse. Now, if you look in your cover, you have a fuse puller in there, and you also have extra fuses. Now, I'm going to remove my fuse with my fuse puller, pull out my fuse, and we look at it, and if you look really close, you'll see that it's burned through. That's what an open fuse looks like. So they're pretty easy to tell when you have a burned fuse. Now, we'll go to our cover, and we'll see that we have a spare 15 amp fuse. Just remove the spare 15 amp fuse, insert the fuse, which is real easy. It just snaps right in. Then we'll double check to make sure the headlamp is working. And I have headlights. That's how you change a burned fuse.